Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Learn English Moments. Before we start today's speaking practice, make sure to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell so you won't miss any of our daily English lessons. Today, we will do Beginner English Speaking Test Simulation. I'll ask you 40 simple questions about daily life. You will have 5 seconds after each question to speak your answer aloud. Are you ready? Let's begin. Part 1. Personal information. Question 1. What is your name?
Question 2. Where do you live?
Question 3. How old are you?
Question 4. What is your favorite color?
Question 5. When is your birthday?
Question 6. Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Question 7. What is your favorite food?
Question 8. What is your favorite drink?
Question 9. What is your favorite fruit?
Question 10. Do you like reading books?
Part 2. Daily routine. Question 11. What time do you usually wake up?
Question 12. What do you eat for breakfast?
Question 13. How do you go to school or work?
Question 14. What time do you usually have lunch?
Question 15. What do you usually do in the evening?
Question 16. Do you cook at home?
Question 17. How often do you watch TV?
Question 18. What time do you usually go to bed?
Question 19. Do you use a mobile phone every day?
Question 20. What do you do on weekends?
Part 3. Likes and dislikes. Question 21. What is your favorite hobby?
Question 22. Do you like sports? Which one?
Question 23. Do you like music?
Question 24. What is your favorite song?
Question 25. Do you like animals?
Question 26. What is your favorite animal?
Question 27. Do you like traveling?
Question 28. Where do you want to travel in the future?
Question 29. Do you like cooking?
Question 30. What is your favorite thing to cook?
Part 4. Opinion and experience. Question 31. What is your favorite season of the year?
Question 32. Which do you prefer, tea or coffee?
Question 33. Do you prefer the city or the countryside?
Question 34. Have you ever been to the beach?
Question 35. Have you ever been on an airplane?
Question 36. Do you like rainy days?
Question 37. Do you enjoy watching movies?
Question 38. What is your favorite movie?
Question 39. Do you like to dance?
Question 40. What do you want to be in the future?
Well done! You have completed the 15-minute beginner English speaking test simulation. If you couldn't answer all the questions perfectly, don't worry. Replay this video and try again until you feel more confident. Remember, practice every day and your English speaking will improve quickly. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to Learn English Moments, like this video, and share it with your friends. See you in the next lesson.